Hi, I'm Rosa. Thanks for joining me. Tonight I am doing a leftover makeover. I have a little bit of ground beef left from the other night. I took out some raviolis that I had in the freezer. I'm gonna grab a jar of pasta sauce and a French baguette. Here are the ingredients. This was in the pantry, my jar of pasta sauce. I have purchased this at Trader Joe's and then I put it in the freezer. So I thought I put it out if I could keep from stumbling past my words or through my words. It was in the freezer. I put it in the refrigerator last night. It should be thawed out. It says it looks pretty small. It says it serves 3, but we're going to add some more stuff so it'll serve the 3 of us. I have a little bit of ground beef that I'm gonna put in the pasta sauce, and I have the French baguettes. And I'm still on my way to try to use up everything in my freezers and my pantry that I can. We're still about an hour out from dinner, so I'm going to get the pasta sauce on the stove with the ground beef. I'm gonna put my raviolis back in the refrigerator and my baguette back in my freezer because you're supposed to cook it from frozen. I'm gonna get the pasta sauce on the stove going just so that the meat and the sauce can incorporate. A salad would have gone good with this, but I didn't pick up a salad. So next time I'm at the grocery store, that might be something I need to get. Something I do is that once I have an empty jar of sauce, I will wash it out and keep it in the cupboards. And then when I fry up something, I can put the grease in here so I'm not disposing of it anywhere else. And then I can take this to the recycling place once it's full. This is the sauce I'm going to put over the raviolis. So I'm going to leave that on the stove for a little while. I also have some leftover empanadas that we can make if anyone wants something extra. Go to the grocery store because I haven't been making anything with much of any vegetable lately, and I need to. Here's a finished product. The ravioli with the sauce, and then I have some pepperoni cheese to sprinkle on top and some baguettes to have with it. Dinner was delicious. We really enjoyed it. I will definitely buy the ravioli from Trader Joe's again and put it in my freezer just like I did because it made for a great quick meal tonight. So especially with the French bread and the sauce. And you can have that with garlic and oil as well. It would be just as good. So thank you for watching, and I hope you consider hitting the subscribe button. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.